Welcome to my channel. Join me as I dive deep and explore the profound concept of Christ consciousness. Christ consciousness is a profound spiritual concept that transcends traditional religious boundaries, inviting individuals to tap into a higher state of awareness and love. At its core, Christ consciousness embodies the qualities of compassion, forgiveness, and unconditional love, reflecting the teachings and examples set by Jesus Christ. However, it is not limited to Christianity. Rather, it represents a universal spiritual awakening that encourages people from all walks of life to connect with their divine essence. This state of consciousness promotes a deep understanding of interconnectedness, urging us to see beyond the illusion of separation and recognize the divine spark within ourselves and others. In today's spiritual landscape, the relevance of Christ consciousness is more significant than ever. As the world grapples with challenges such as division, conflict, and disconnection, many are seeking deeper meaning and purpose in their lives. The pursuit of Christ consciousness offers a pathway to healing and transformation, encouraging individuals to rise above ego-driven behaviors and embrace a more loving and compassionate way of being. This shift in consciousness can lead to profound personal growth, fostering a sense of peace and fulfillment that resonates not only within ourselves but also in our relationships and communities. Engaging with the idea of Christ consciousness opens the door to transformative potential. By striving to embody these higher qualities, we can experience a radical shift in our perceptions and interactions. Imagine a world where love and understanding prevail over fear and judgment. Achieving Christ consciousness empowers us to become catalysts for change, inspiring others to embark on their own spiritual journeys. As we collectively awaken to this higher state of being, we contribute to a more harmonious and compassionate world, making the pursuit of Christ consciousness a vital aspect of our spiritual growth. Definition of Christ consciousness. Christ consciousness refers to a heightened state of awareness characterized by love, compassion, and unity. In spiritual terms, it signifies an awakening to our true nature, where individuals recognize their inherent divinity and interconnectedness with all beings. This consciousness transcends the historical figure of Jesus Christ, embodying the essence of his teachings and the universal principles of love and forgiveness that resonate across various spiritual traditions. It invites individuals to move beyond the confines of ego and separation, fostering a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the universe. The roots of Christ consciousness can be traced back to Christian teachings, where Jesus exemplified qualities such as unconditional love, compassion for the marginalized, and forgiveness of transgressions. However, its implications extend far beyond Christianity. Many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism, Hinduism, and New Age philosophies, echo similar themes of awakening to a higher state of being. This universality highlights that Christ consciousness is not limited to a single faith, but is a shared aspiration for humanity, encouraging individuals to cultivate these virtues in their daily lives. Promoting love, compassion, and unity is at the heart of Christ consciousness. As individuals awaken to this state, they begin to embody these qualities, leading to transformative changes in their personal lives and communities. This shift fosters a sense of belonging and connection, breaking down barriers of division and misunderstanding. When people collectively embrace Christ consciousness, they contribute to a more harmonious world, where empathy and kindness prevail. Ultimately, the journey toward Christ consciousness is not just a personal endeavor. It is a collective awakening that has the potential to heal and uplift humanity as a whole. The 3 A's of Christ consciousness. The concept of Christ consciousness can be distilled into 3 key characteristics: awareness, acceptance, and action. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in fostering a deeper spiritual understanding and connection with oneself and the world around us. Awareness is the first pillar of Christ consciousness. It involves recognizing one's true self and understanding the profound connection we share with others and the universe. This awareness goes beyond surface-level perceptions, encouraging individuals to delve into their inner being and acknowledge their divine essence. By cultivating awareness, we begin to see ourselves not as isolated entities, but as integral parts of a larger whole. This realization fosters empathy and compassion, allowing us to appreciate the shared experiences and struggles of humanity. The second characteristic, acceptance, is about embracing all aspects of life without judgment. This means acknowledging both the light and dark moments, understanding that every experience contributes to our growth and evolution. Acceptance encourages us to let go of resistance and the need for control, allowing life to unfold as it is meant to. By practicing acceptance, we cultivate a sense of peace and resilience, enabling us to navigate challenges with grace and understanding. This non-judgmental approach fosters a loving environment where individuals can express their true selves without fear of criticism. Finally, action is the manifestation of love and service to humanity. Christ consciousness inspires individuals to take meaningful steps toward uplifting others and contributing positively to the world. This action is rooted in compassion and a desire to alleviate suffering, whether through acts of kindness, volunteering, or simply being present for someone in need. By embodying these three characteristics, awareness, acceptance, and action, we can fully embrace the transformative potential of Christ consciousness, creating a ripple effect of love and unity in our communities and beyond. Achieving Christ consciousness. Attaining Christ consciousness is a transformative journey that involves practical steps and daily practices aimed at deepening self-awareness, fostering acceptance, and promoting love through action. Here are some effective strategies to help you on this path. First and foremost, meditation and mindfulness techniques are essential for cultivating self-awareness. Setting aside time each day for meditation allows you to connect with your inner self and quiet the mind. Techniques such as breath awareness, loving-kindness meditation, or guided visualizations can help you tap into a deeper understanding of your thoughts and emotions. Mindfulness practices, such as being fully present during daily activities, can also enhance your awareness of the interconnectedness of all beings. By observing your thoughts without judgment, you can begin to recognize patterns and beliefs that may be holding you back from experiencing Christ consciousness. In addition to self-awareness, engaging in acts of kindness and service is crucial for fostering acceptance. Simple gestures such as offering a smile to a stranger, volunteering your time, or helping a neighbor can create a ripple effect of love and compassion. These acts not only benefit others, but also help you embrace the beauty of life in all its forms. By practicing acceptance, you learn to appreciate the diversity of human experiences and cultivate a non-judgmental attitude toward yourself and others. Lastly, the importance of community and support cannot be overstated in the journey toward Christ consciousness. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share similar values can provide encouragement and inspiration. Joining spiritual groups, attending workshops, or participating in community service projects can foster a sense of belonging and connection. Together, you can share insights, celebrate progress, and support one another in embodying the principles of Christ consciousness. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you can move closer to achieving a state of love, unity, and spiritual awakening. Critics and controversies. The concept of Christ consciousness, while inspiring for many, is not without its critics and controversies. One of the primary points of contention arises from differing interpretations within various religious and spiritual communities. For some, Christ consciousness is seen as a profound spiritual awakening that transcends traditional religious boundaries, while others view it as a dilution or misinterpretation of core Christian teachings. This divergence can lead to misunderstandings and disagreements, particularly among those who hold strong beliefs about the exclusivity of their faith. As a result, discussions about Christ consciousness can sometimes become polarized, with individuals feeling defensive about their perspectives. Another significant concern is the commercialization of spiritual concepts, including Christ consciousness. In recent years, there has been a noticeable trend of marketing spiritual ideas and practices, often stripping them of their deeper meanings in favor of profit. This commercialization can lead to a superficial understanding of Christ consciousness, where individuals may seek quick fixes or trendy practices without engaging in the deeper work of self-awareness and transformation. Critics argue that this commodification undermines the genuine spiritual journey and can create a disconnect between the teachings and their true essence. Amid these criticisms, the importance of respectful dialogue cannot be overstated. Engaging in open conversations about differing views allows for a richer understanding of the complexities surrounding Christ consciousness. By fostering an environment of respect and curiosity, individuals can explore various interpretations and find common ground. This dialogue not only promotes tolerance, but also encourages personal growth and spiritual development. Ultimately, addressing the criticisms and controversies surrounding Christ consciousness requires a commitment to understanding, compassion, and a willingness to engage with diverse perspectives, paving the way for a more inclusive spiritual landscape. In conclusion, in this exploration of Christ consciousness, we have delved into its definition, characteristics, and practical steps for achieving this transformative state of being. Christ consciousness is a heightened awareness characterized by love, compassion, and unity, inviting individuals to recognize their true selves and their connection to others. We discussed the three key characteristics: awareness, acceptance, and action, that serve as foundational pillars for this spiritual journey. By cultivating self-awareness through meditation and mindfulness, embracing all aspects of life without judgment, and engaging in acts of kindness and service, we can move closer to embodying Christ consciousness in our daily lives. The transformative power of embracing Christ consciousness cannot be overstated. As we awaken to this higher state of awareness, we not only enhance our personal growth, but also contribute to a more compassionate and harmonious world. By fostering love and understanding, we can break down barriers and create a sense of unity among all beings. This journey is not just an individual pursuit, it is a collective awakening that has the potential to uplift humanity as a whole. As we wrap up this discussion, we encourage you to engage with the content further. If you found value in this exploration of Christ consciousness, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful discussions on spirituality and personal growth. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these teachings. Together, let's continue to explore the depths of Christ consciousness and its profound impact on our lives and the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.